The foolish goat. A goat and an ass were bitter enemies. They always wanted to fight each other. The goat thought, "My horns are stronger than the ass's soft head. I can win a fight easily." So one day, the goat and the ass faced each other. The goat at once rushed forward, with his horns pointing straight at the ass. Suddenly, the ass turned around and kicked back his hoofs with all his power. His hoofs hit the goat hard, but the goat's horns hurt the ass's legs as well. From that day, they decided not to fight anymore. The Fox and the Drum. Once, a fox was searching around for food. He came across a hen and wanted to eat her. So he hid himself in a bush, and as he was going to pounce on her, he heard a strange tapping sound. Now, unknown to him, there was a drum in the tree. When the wind blew, the branches beat against it. The greedy fox thought, "There must be a bigger prey in the tree. I will eat that instead of the hen." He climbed up the tree, making so much noise that the poor hen ran away. Expecting to find tasty prey, the greedy fox was disappointed to find a drum among the leaves. The fox exclaimed, "I have been foolish. I let the hen get away because of my greed. Now I will have to sleep on an empty stomach." The umbrella and the single-soled shoes. An ascetic, who was the guest of a king, thought of returning to his hermitage. But he needed an umbrella and a pair of single-soled shoes. He decided to ask the king for those, but thought, "What if the king refuses to give me those? I will not be able to bear that, and our friendship will also break." So he kept quiet. 12 years passed by. One night, the king thought, "There is something the ascetic wants from me, but is not able to ask. I will offer him everything, even the kingdom." The king said to the ascetic, "You want something from me, but have hesitated for 12 years. I can give you my whole kingdom." The ascetic said, "I do not want your kingdom, but a pair of single-soled shoes and an umbrella. I could not ask you because I thought if you refused, I would be shattered and our friendship would break." The king fulfilled his needs and bade a tearful goodbye. The gifts. Long ago, there lived a monk. He used to give sermons to people. One day, pleased with his selfless acts, the queen gave him many gifts. After this, the king also gifted him many gifts. The monk gave away all the gifts to a young monk. This young monk, in turn, gave away the gifts to the other monks of his monastery. But the monks were very angry. They felt jealous of the fact that the monk had given all the gifts to the young monk and not to them. They went and complained to their teacher about this. Their teacher replied, "The young monk has always helped the monk in times of need, so he repaid the monk." The monks were ashamed of being jealous of the young monk and promised not to draw conclusions without knowing the facts.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.